This video is proudly brought to you by Bedazzled, the home of dazzling beauty and conscious minds.
Hi Bedazzled Beauties, it's Matthias Allen from Hollywood, and I'm so excited to be sharing with you another monthly video tutorial here on the Bedazzled.com's website and YouTube channel. So for those of you who are brand new to our YouTube channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am a professional working makeup artist in Hollywood, and I am also the Global Brand Communications Director for Bedazzled. Now, as a working makeup artist, it is very, very important for me to have high quality, high performance products in my professional makeup kit. And the products that I'm going to be sharing with you today in this video demo are straight from some of the best brands that I have ever used. Living and working in Hollywood for over 20 years, I've had my fair share of actresses and models in my makeup chair. And it's extremely important for me to have products in my kit that I can put on at 5 or 6 in the morning, and then I know that my actress or my model is going to have that same face hours and hours and hours later. So many of the products here at Bedazzled are created by fellow pro makeup artists from around the world, and they have infused high quality, long-lasting ingredients into their products, which are perfect for the everyday woman. Because who doesn't want their makeup to last for more than 3 or 4 hours? I know I would. I have a wonderful client to share with you in this month's video tutorial. Now, she came to me recently looking for new headshots. Now, here in America, a lot of actors and actresses and even business professionals are always looking for a headshot. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with what a headshot is needed by every actor and actress in Hollywood. It's basically your calling card. It's your business card because it has your face on it. And it's very important what your face and your skin look like in these headshots. Now, this client came to me looking for new headshots because she works in the corporate sector. It's very important to always look your best. So I'm going to show you step by step exactly what I used from the Bedazzled online store on this client for her brand new headshot. Not only do these products work extremely well on a day-to-day basis, but they also work fabulously on every TV show, film set, or photo shoot that I've ever used them on. I hope you enjoy, and I hope I inspire you to try some of our amazing cruelty-free products for yourself. So like I said, I've been working with actresses and celebrities for a very long time here in Hollywood. I've used some of these amazing products on so many of my red carpet clients. Here I'm working with Selena Sleva from Orange is the New Black as she was attending the SAG Awards in Hollywood, California. I had an amazing time with her that year, and she won a Screen Actors Guild Award the night I did her makeup. Now, in addition to working with celebrity clients on the red carpet, I've also worked with hundreds of models over my 20-year career. Now, choosing the right products for photo shoots and beauty stories for magazines is extremely important because working with these high-definition HD cameras can really make or break your career, and the skin needs to look impeccable in a photo. And I guarantee you that any of the products purchased here at Bedazzled.com will work for you as well, because if they look great in an HD camera format, then they will look great on your skin on a day-to-day basis. So in this makeup tutorial, I am starting with clean skin, and then I'm going to apply the Ofra Firming Day Cream, which is hypoallergenic, hydrating, and it contains antioxidants. This has a rich formula which has anti-aging ingredients and will assist in the formation of collagen. I really love the way this feels on the skin, and it makes the skin look so dewy and plump and full of moisture, which is perfect for the next step, which is primer. Now, the Senna Silky Primer is one of my favorites. It has light reflecting pigments which help diminish imperfections. It also evens out skin tones and fills in fine lines for a smooth finish before you apply any foundation. I like using my fingers to apply this as well to get it really deep into the epidermis of the skin. Now I'm going to be showing you the Cosette Infinite Makeup Full Coverage Sticks. I'm using shade C4, which is a little bit deeper than my client's skin tone, because when you take a photograph of your face, especially with flash, everything on the surface of your face will become a little bit lighter. So it is important to go a little bit deeper with your complexion products if you're going to be photographed. The Infinite Stick Foundation is an all-inclusive foundation and concealer in one. Now this is very richly pigmented and it delivers sheer to maximum coverage depending on how you apply it. Now it has a skin-like satin finish which minimizes pore size and fine lines. It's an amazing product which has jojoba oil, coconut oil, vitamin E, and lavender extracts. This also calms acne-prone skin and it protects and pampers the skin as it beautifully hydrates and gives you a full coverage, perfect finish. Now I also recommend applying anything that's going to be a little bit darker than your skin tone down your neck so that your neck matches your face, and blending it out and softly patting your skin with a dampened beauty sponge to make it look even more perfect. Next, I'm using the Senna Totally Transforming Concealer in the shade Cool Light. I'm using this under her eyes because this has a depuffing ingredient in it, which is amazing. I'm also using this shade, which is much lighter than her natural skin tone, to almost highlight the center of her face and bring focus and attention to her eyes and make her cheekbones look even fuller, and the center of her chin and the center of her forehead. Now remember at the beginning I told you that hydration is key. So I really love using cream blushes, and the Senna Daydream is the perfect shade for this client because it's adding that kind of peachy corally pink back into her skin tone. I think cream blushes are also really wonderful because they look very natural on the skin. And if you want to set it with powder, you can. If you do not, this is a very long-lasting formula. Next, I'm going to go back to the Cosette Infinite Makeup Sticks, and I'm going to be using the shade G6. Now, this can be used as a contouring product for lighter, fair skin tones. This is an amazing tool to do that with. It is very important also to contour and highlight when you are getting yourself photographed. Now, to set it all, I'm going to be showing you the Danessa Myricks Evolution Powder, and this is in the shade O2 Fair. Now, the Evolution Powder is completely perfect for photographs because there is no flashback, and a little bit under the eye to set the concealer, and then the rest all over the face for a soft finish. Now, for the brows, I'm going to be using the Lily Lolo Duo Medium. What's great about this dual-sided product is that the grooming wax on the left-hand side actually helps to keep your brow hairs in place, as well as make the brow powder stick stronger and longer. Next, I'm going to be showing you the Danessa Myricks Color Fix Liquids. This is in the shade Titanium, which is a beautiful waterproof formula for the lid to add some sheen and sparkle. And then I'm using the Color Fix in the shade Truth on the outer corners of the eye. Both of these colors are perfect for almost every skin tone, and I just love these colors together on the eye for a very long-lasting waterproof finish. I then follow it up with the Pedal to the Metal eyeshadow palette from Lily Lolo. I'm just adding the lightest color under the brow bone and that soft peachy taupe in the crease. This will help create a more transitional shade on her eye from those sparkly lid colors. Next, I curl her lashes with our Senna Lash Curler, and then I'm applying the Eyes of Horus Bio Lash Lift Mascara, which is one of my favorites, very long lasting and ultra black in pigment. And then I'm going to be applying the Elevation Lashes by Danessa Myricks in the style Thrive 05. Now for a photo shoot, it's very important to kind of bring your lashes to the next level because in a photograph, everything looks a little bit smaller and more diminished, so mascara just won't work on its own. Next, I've chosen a Senna Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Demure. This has hyaluronic acid filling spheres. It also contains vitamin E, shea butter, and jojoba oil, which all act to hydrate and condition and protect the lips. And lastly, right before her pictures are taken, I'm using the Senna HD Eye Lift Powder, which is a translucent pressed powder which has mineral pigments that instantly brighten darkness around the eyes. This powder can be used to set concealer and smooth expression lines. It's the perfect retouching powder. And now in these photos, you can see that all of the products together have worked synergistically to create a beautiful, flawless finish for this photograph. Thank you so much for joining us this month on our YouTube channel. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do so now by clicking on that little link right down there at the bottom. Please also click on the description section underneath this video here on YouTube so you can find links to purchase all of these amazing products directly from our online store. Follow Beaudazzled and myself on all social media. All of our links are listed down below. You can always find behind the scenes sneak peeks into my work here in Los Angeles and what's coming up and new and special at Beaudazzled.com. I hope you have a wonderful 2018. I love you for watching, and I can't wait to see you next month. Bye for now.
You can find Beaudazzled at www.beaudazzled.com or follow us on Facebook at Beaudazzled Cosmetics. Follow us on Instagram at Beaudazzled Beauty. Follow us on Twitter at Beaudazzled1.